So, presentation, like I say, a sort of bishop, and then I can sort of presenting. And so, when you know what it says, you're sort of telling you where before. I'm also telling I'm not and I offer same name. Now, you're presenting. And from another, if you now, as I say, Bishop Nankasa, so one signature, and a sort of one, so one signature. If you say it in some shikakra, I could share who has said, say citation in honor of now the second, among gravel. And words cannot express our profound gratitude to you for your outstanding contributions towards the Methodist Church, Ghana, and our prayer community. Indeed, you have heavily founded the Methodist Church Mass Apred to see to its present magnificent state. Furthermore, you reconstructed the dilapidated KVIP toilet facility of Apred Methodist Basic School. And I thank you for your unflinching support and remarkable achievements, giving encouragement to many to emulate for your shining works. Posterity will forever live to remember you. May God grant you peace and long reign to see greater successes in your life. Aliko, signed by the Bishop of the Korea Diocese. That's the Right Reverend Dr. Emmanuel Sarkozy, and then Swatern Minister of the Home Circuit, Well Reverend George Lako Ampi. And now, back to so I'm here school in 24, and so here and a number of them, and I also saw a pizza to Katra, a day, and so middle school, and I also kind of and this is so citation and out of the second. This citation of gratitude is presented to you as an acknowledgement of your admired and tenacious dedication service towards the development of a present mind. The best part of life is not just surviving, but thriving with passion, compassion, humor, style, generosity, kindness, and thoughtfulness for seeking the welfare and massive development of our program. Through your unending and unrelenting effort, the people of Prede have benefited in diverse ways. You have rigorously kept a high standard for the youth and empowered both schools by providing amenities to enhance teaching. You deserve to be elogized and emulated. I pray Methodist Basic School wishes you the best in life ahead. Yami Inshallah. Okay, they will learn. That's
One of the
yeah, no, about we were now, many years ago, I'm born by a man. Now, Yakupon also I then Eddie Menu, I would get doing it. Maintain for any and yes,